Today we're comparing two free video editors that creators often rely on, CapCut Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Both aim to give you professional-level tools without the price tag, but they approach video editing from very different angles. CapCut Pro focuses on accessibility and quick content creation, making it a favorite among social media editors. DaVinci Resolve offers an industry-grade editing environment, blending color correction, audio, and effects into one powerful suite. CapCut Pro shines for its speed and simplicity. It's built to help creators edit and publish videos fast, whether they're on desktop or mobile. The interface is clean and easy to pick up, with a drag-and-drop timeline, automatic captions, background removers, and plenty of templates for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. AI tools handle things like color adjustment and sound enhancement, giving your clips polish with minimal effort. It's not built for complex productions, but for short-form content and quick turnarounds, it delivers consistent, smooth results that look professional right out of the box. DaVinci Resolve stands out for how deep and powerful it is. This software combines multiple stages of post-production into one space: editing, color correction, audio mixing, and visual effects. It's designed for creators who want full control over their footage and are willing to invest time learning the tools. The free version already includes professional features that many paid editors lack, offering studio-level precision for those who need it. It runs best on strong hardware, but once you get the hang of it, it's capable of producing stunning cinematic work without spending a cent. In the end, both editors have a clear purpose. CapCut Pro is for creators who value speed, automation, and simplicity, perfect for fast-paced social media environments. DaVinci Resolve is for those aiming to create polished, long-form projects with full control over every detail. The best choice depends on what kind of videos you make and how much depth you want in your editing process. Both are impressive in what they offer for free, and each serves a different kind of creator perfectly.